So it's been a crazy day here at the CIT in Jaipur. Finally snuck back into the off-road section to just like spend some time with the motorcycle and give you guys a rundown of what the rally kit really is. New Maxxis tires, new suspension, risers, a lovely flat seat, right? New tires at the back, new rare 10-step suspension, and that basically puts, oh no, it's Marlow.
Hey guys.
Oh, time to see. I told you we're getting into trouble. Marlow.
Here we have to go. We have to close. You have
to
to get out.
Two questions. Two questions, and then
Fine.
we're gone.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I ride this on the street?
Well, you can, because actually it's homologated.
Okay. And
So
can I race with it then and ride it on the street?
you can first ride it every single day, although it will look a bit strange. but
Right.
It's homologated,
Right.
and it's also homologated by FMSCI. So you can actually ride in the standard category
Right.
at any rally future in event in India.
That's brilliant. That's so I can ride to the race and then ride home. Basically,
back.
that's
And win.
that's amazing. And win. That goes without saying. Second question before you throw us out. What's that?
Oh, that?
Yeah. Let's walk to it and you tell me what that is.
So that we have what we call the what's next. Yeah. So we have the missing link. You have here an XPulse with a rally kit,
Right.
and on the far right, behind that, you have a Dakar bike. So that is something that we are working on. It's still in the cooking. We hope to come at certain point in the future with it, but at least it shows you what we're capable of in terms of platform,
Nice.
concept.
Exciting.
So, I mean, you can take your guess about the size of the engine and everything.
Yeah.
I won't answer.
That's
but
fine.
at least everything is here on display for you.
We
to
can drool on it while we're right here.
You'll be riding it?
Yeah, of course,
If
soon.
you bring it?
Of course, absolutely, happily. That'll be amazing. Thank you. We're gone. Don't throw us out.
I'll do.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye.
See you.